Choosing the words for your search can be a daunting task. One of the simplest methods that I've found is to use a concept table. This will allow you to organize the keywords you wish to use, as well as the controlled vocabulary. To create a concept table, start with your PICO method so that you can identify your concept groups. For this example, I'm going to use the following research inquiry. How do nurses facilitate health literacy among patients in rural areas? So my PICO is as follows. I have a population of nurses. I have a problem I'm investigating, which is health literacy. My question does not identify an intervention, comparison, outcome, or time frame, but it does identify a setting, rural areas. So now I can make a concept table using these three groups: nurses, health literacy, and rural areas. Please note, when you use the PICO method, you can fill out as many of the pieces that make sense for your question. There may be some fields that are blank. There may be some fields that have multiple answers. Use this method as much as it works for you. To create the concept table, I usually create a chart of 4 columns and 3 rows in Microsoft Word. You can also do this in Excel or on a sheet of paper, whichever works for you. Across the first row, I put in my concept groups. In the first column, I label the next 2 rows for the controlled vocabulary and keywords.